this video, I want to give you an example for how to show and hide specific design of your content or section of your content if they have that tag from your CRM. So this is still with WP Fusion and high level integration. Hi guys, Danica here. So as you can see here in my screen, I am logged in as a member and I have a pricing table here. And it says current plan for this one because I have that tag, and others doesn't have a button. Now compare that if you're not logged in, you will be presented with this one. So everything says sign up and all of the button is visible. Now on the back end, so in here, I'm gonna show you or explain more of this in a bit, but I have an account here, and if I check, this is my high level contact ID, and this is the tag that we have. Now this is a subscription, so we have one tag per product, active and inactive. So one tag for affiliate member, associate, directors club, executive, investor. So we have one active tag and one inactive tag per subscription. So that's our indicator for what is their membership or access level. Now in my page in here, if we open the navigator, now in here structure, if we open that, I have two design, one for visitors, one for members. So this one is only visible when you are not logged into the website. For that section, I'm using the JetEngine's dynamic visibility show element if user is not logged in. So that's why this one says the sign up button, and that's the one that you see here if you're not logged in. The other one is for members. So here we have dynamic visibility show element if user is logged in. So that's the one that you see here. So this is for login. Now I can actually make it more simple, and instead of having two pricing table, just one and control it via the button. It's just that I started this layout with that format, but for less maintenance, I'm planning to merge this so just one container and just I'm gonna control the button, but I'm gonna work on that next. But for this example, I want to give you that you can do two containers, because sometimes, example, this non-login design, it could be different, and then for login members, it could also say different. It can even be like maybe this is a bit, opacity is a bit lower than others if they're not on that level, to make it more clear as indicator which members are access they're in. So you can do that. Now let's focus on the two buttons. So it's gonna say current plan if that's your plan, and this one is in the highest level, so I don't see the other buttons. Now how about if I lower my plan? So from investor, I'm gonna change my tag to executive manually here, and that's the same thing that's gonna happen if they have purchased the product. They're gonna get that tag. We're just manually adding that right now. So if I do that, I'm now an executive member. If I reload this, so as you can see, I have the current plan under executive club, and I can upgrade. So it's offering me an upgrade because I'm not in the highest plan yet. So how do we do that? Now going back on the back end, there's two buttons per plan. So this one says current plan for the affiliate member. I'm gonna hide that so it's less confusing. So we have the current plan for affiliate member. If we go to the advanced WP Fusion, it says require high level tag. It says affiliate member active. So if I have the active tag for the affiliate member, I'm gonna see this one. Now for associate member, I have associate member active. So all of the current button says require higher level tag, the current active tag of that level. Now, how about the upgrade button? In here, we're using the not section. So show this one if they don't have this tag. So if they don't have the associate member, director, which is this one, executive, and investor, that's the time that this will show, meaning you are an affiliate member because you don't have this tag. Now for the directors club, if we check this, it now says the same, but of course without the associate member because that's a lower plan. So you're gonna grab all of the active tag from this current one up to the next highest. So it will show if they don't have the directors club, executive club, and investors club, and so on. So similar situation for others. For this one, if they don't have the executive club or investor club, and last is if they don't have the investor club. So that's how we can create a dynamic design that shows a specific section or item depending on their membership level, which we control via WP Fusion with high level tag. I hope this video helps. I just want to show an example how you can take advantage on the integration with WP Fusion and high level for your WordPress membership site. You can do more than this. This is one of the very simple example of how the dynamic visibility. You can even show content if they have a specific meta value and so on. So I hope this video helps, and as you can see, we have also used dynamic visibility by JetEngine on some areas, so that's also one of it. But if you don't have JetEngine, you can focus on WP Fusion high level with its tag control to show and hide content. Again, I hope this video helps. If you have any question, feel free to comment that down below. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.